Hello everyone, my name is Gib and I am a self-taught artist. I've created this Skillshare class to show you how I go about painting a themed collection and then scanning and digitizing them and creating a composition so that I can use them in my various shops. This class is great for anybody who wants to learn how to watercolor and use their watercolor designs to create things like wedding invitations, logos. Create your own clip art collections and you can sell them online in places like Etsy or Creative Market, or use them to make stickers or planner designs. You can make templates or printables or artwork, make patterns or fabrics. Upload your artwork to sites like Society6 or Redbubble and you can create your own merchandise. So come on and join my Skillshare class today, Watercolor Illustration, creating a tropical themed collection from painting to editing in Photoshop. Let's begin!